Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable Captcha on Google Chrome. So let's get started. For that, first of all, let's just go to the Google Chrome right over here. Then from here you need to search for Buster Captcha Solver. Buster Captcha Solver for humans. So let's just search it up, and from here as you can see we have the Buster Captcha Solver right over here. You need to go to this, and this is actually an extension for Google Chrome. You need to add to Chrome, then tap on add extension. So it will take some time to add on your Chrome browser. As you can see, we have successfully added the Buster Google Solver. Alright, Captcha Solver has been added. Then let's just prove it out that it works. So if we go to Captcha demo, okay, so now if we tap on this, like I am not a robot, if we tap on this, and it is showing that it doesn't show any kind of captchas and it is successfully done. So that's how you can bypass Captcha in Google Chrome, and it's very simple. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.